We now determine the position function given the velocity function of a particle moving in a straight line. So for this, I'm going to write this equation. That is basically velocity function is the derivative of a position function. So to get the position function, we have to integrate both sides. That is the integration of the velocity function, and this is equal to integration of a derivative function. We will get s of t function, that is a position function. So we can write down the position function as basically the integration of the velocity function. So let's replace v of t by the expression t squared plus 6. We should integrate this with respect to time. So we can integrate this in two parts, that is term by term. The first term is t squared. Integration of t squared, when we use the power rule, it is integration of x raised to the power of n. And this gives x raised to the power of n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. So this is one of the standard power formula which we use to integrate power functions. So therefore this will be t cube divided by 3, because the n here is 2. So we will get t power 2 plus 1 divided by the same number, and this equals t cube divided by 3. So I have written t cube by 3, and then the integration of a number which will be 6 times of the integration variable, that is t. And we also put the integration constant c. So this is the function s of t, which represents the position of the particle. In part B, we should determine the integration constant c, given that s equal to 3 and t equal to 0. So let's plug this values into this position function. So therefore, replace s of t by 0. So replacing t by 0, we get s of 0. And this equals, replace t by 0, we get 0 cube divided by 3 plus 6 times of 0 plus c. And s of 0, basically at t equal to 0, s of 0 is 3. So replace s of 0 by 3, and this equals, this is 0 cube by 3 is 0, and 6 times 0 is 0. So we only have c on the right side. So this gives the value of the integration constant, c equals 3. And so now we can rewrite the expression for the position function by replacing this value of c into the position function. So we can rewrite this position function, that is s of t. This equals t cube by 3 plus 6t plus the integration constant. Replace that by 3. So this one is the position function.